Look at the precision, boys. Look at the precision. You're good, you're good. Everywhere. Oh, I can't grab that with one hand. I'm not Jimi Hendrix, people. So doing over here now. was like perfect placement too.
Yeah.
Almost looks like the engine should fit in there.
Yeah.
Almost.
Full vehicle again, they can fucking good money.
Uh-huh. Oh look, you got the rad there?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Full of fucking diesel too. It's probably full of water now. These lines here, I noticed is dripping it over here. It's fucking diesel.
Hmm.
So that tape's all decompopulated.
So does that mean that the water is getting in there and pushing and the diesel up top? Okay.
Well, I forgot I've been running almost pure oxygen instead of coolant in my rig there, so rustled the belt off there. We'll claw the water pump off. Kind of try to maybe clean it up a bit first. I don't know. It's pretty grimy down in there. Probably can't sock nothing, but we got a Nuda. So hopefully that one leaks a little bit less, and then we'll be able to hold some coolant. It'll be awesome. But yeah, we'll pull that out and take things. Well, we can sort of see what we're dealing with a little better now anyway. Hopefully not fill the combustion chamber filled with schmutz. But yeah, 2 10 mils and that this should just pop right out of there. Lippity splips. But I always say that it's an all-day event, so we're already way over the freaking specified number of cigarettes. Bottom one felt like it broke. That'd be good, eh? Oh, one bolt, we'll just throw that away. We don't need that. Oh, fuck's the other one? Oh, you can't even get to it. Your fingers. Lickety McSplickens, I guess. Hey, barely even Barely even noticed the Weisner. Oh my goodness. A little bit of a sandwich. And a barf. That was a good one. Really got into my liver. Check out this thing I got from Vever.com. Eh? It's freaking Vever.com, boys. You love that kind. Okay. Watch this. We got a 2-liter capacity, boys. Comes with a lid, anti-splash type situation. That'll be good, eh? Driving around the truck with a little bit of the coolant inwood. What do they think of next? Easy. She's an all-day event apparently, but I mean, you don't have to babysit it. You could, you know, run the engine, get all the air bubbles out while this thing's hooked up and stuff. I just wanted to try the valve, you know. That was pretty awesome. Just another riveting friggin' Vitya, eh? Yeah, YouTube changed all the rules even again. So getting in even more trouble. Now you get even more trouble when you put bitches up. Gotta cut all the swears and no shenanigans. Can't be any shenanigans of any kind, YouTube. We don't like that kind. Definitely been way faster to just pour it in the hole, you know? That's my fancy new thing from Vever. So as I got the Shantia, I'm sure if it was running it would suck it in a lot more better too, probably. Remember that one time when I took one of these out of my engine and one of the fins was broke off inside? We didn't want that to happen here. That's what we were trying to prevent, but there's a little bit of, you can kind of feel it. You probably can't see it, but I feel a little rocking back and forth action, but barely any. I don't know. It was coming at right there, so. No good, see you no good. Yonder. You put her in the wash fluid bottle. I apologize. Change the water pump and just let her piss out all over the floor. You need 3 jugs of coolant to fill her up. Decent voice. Check my friggin' power steering fluid and the friggin' reservoir's just flopping around in there. It's not even tighten on anything. If I didn't know any better, I'd think somebody'd been monkeying around in here. Oh yeah. Forgot a couple things yesterday, no big deal, but got it all sorted. Good Lord. Frig, Zach, my truck's awesome. Hey? Oh, Lord. Gotta get this son of a bitch alignment too, and fix that oil leak. Couple things, still a couple things, but well, I guess the rust repair is gonna be next on the list. Dug a little into her. We got a little patch of peony in there, all by my good wiring to it. Oh no. So that's awesome. It's not, I mean, it could be a lot worse, I suppose. But we'll just weld the big hunk of that pipe in there, and we'll probably not have to worry about it too many more times. I'll cut the friggin' rocker right off, and then we'll paint all up in there real good, and then we'll weld that piece of friggin' square tubing in there, and then we'll just cap off the ends and really oil soak the inside of that some terrible. But this is, that's not good. So I'll try to fix that, but that'll be for a later date, probably tomorrow, because it's already late and I quit. So that's what we know about them apples. But anyways, boys, okay, I go.